Today we have a fun English grammar quiz. 10 questions, 5 seconds each. Let's see how many you can get right. Comment your score below. Let's go. Question 1. Which is correct? A. She don't like tea. B. She doesn't like tea. Your time starts now. The answer is B. She doesn't like tea. We use doesn't with he, she, and it. Did you get it? Question 2. Fill in the blank. I have lived here blank 2019. A. For. B. Since. C. From. Go. The answer is B. Since. Since is used with a specific point in time. For is used with a duration, like for 5 years. Question 3. Which sentence is correct? A. He go to school every day. B. He goes to school every day. Answer now. B. He goes. In simple present tense, we add s or es to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. Question 4. Choose the correct word. There are apples on the table. A. Much. B. Many. C. A little. Think fast. B. Many. We use many with countable nouns like apples. Much is for uncountable nouns like water. Question 5. Halfway there. Question 5. Which is correct? A. I am agree with you. B. I agree with you. Go. B. I agree with you. Agree is not used with am, is, are. It's a verb that stands alone. This is a very common mistake. Question 6. Fill in the blank. If I blank rich, I would travel the world. A. Am. B. Was. C. Were. Answer now. C. Were. This is the second conditional. We use were for all subjects in imaginary or unlikely situations. Question 7. Which sentence is correct? A. She is more taller than her sister. B. She is taller than her sister. Go. B. Never use more with a comparative adjective that already ends in er. That's a double comparative, a big grammar error. Question 8. Choose the right word. Can you give me blank information? A. Some. B. Any. C. Both are correct. Think. C. Both are correct. Some is used in positive sentences and polite requests. Any is used in questions and negatives. Both work here. Question 9. Almost done. Question 9. Which is correct? A. I didn't went to the market. B. I didn't go to the market. Last chance. Go. B. I didn't go. After did/didn't, we always use the base form of the verb, never the past tense. This mistake is very common. Question 10. Final question. Question 10. Fill in the blank. She blank to the gym 3 times this week. A. Has gone. B. Went. C. Goes. Go. A. Has gone. This week is still ongoing, so we use the present perfect. If the week was finished, we'd say went. That's all 10 questions. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. 10 out of 10 means you're an English genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quizzes like this. See you in the next one!